Honor 10 smartphone, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing, show you all the contents that you get in the retail package of Honor 10. Along with that, we will also let you know about its features. So the phone will go on sale very soon in India, and this is how the box looks like. It's pretty simple. So the first thing is the phone itself, and here you can see it comes with dual SIM card tray, and it seems there is no micro SD card support on the device. So let me just remove this, and you can look at the smartphone. It looks very gorgeous and beautiful from the back. It has this shiny pattern, and here you can see AI camera. The phone feels comfortable to hold. It has this 19:9 aspect ratio, and we will be discussing more about the device in a minute. Let's just check out what other contents you get in the box. So here you get a SIM ejector pin, and I guess manuals are missing here. You will get the manuals and some other accessories, maybe like a cover or a case for the smartphone in final retail units. Then you get this charging adapter which supports quick charge. That's a good thing. It has an output rating of 9 volt at 2 amps, 2 amp at 9 volt. And finally you do get a standard USB cable as well. So here you can see it has this USB Type-C port, not a micro USB port. So these are the contents that you will get if you order Honor 10 smartphone. So here is the Honor 10 smartphone. Talking first about the design and build quality. The phone feels compact in nature, even though it has this 5.84-inch display in the front. That is due to the fact there is almost no bezels in the front. You get this 19:9 Full HD Plus display. It has a resolution of 1080 into 2280 pixels, and it has Corning Gorilla Glass protection as well. In terms of camera, you get this 24 megapixel front-facing camera, and on the back side you have this 16 plus 24 megapixel back camera. So you get dual camera placement along with this glass back, which has this shimmering or reflective back, which does look very nice and premium, but at the same time does attract fingerprints. On the right side you can see volume rocker and power button. It has this aluminium frame which gives it a sturdy feel. So overall, in terms of design and build quality, the smartphone is compact to hold. It feels solid in hand, and we don't have any complaints as far as the build quality or design is concerned. It looks like a good smartphone, and it feels like a premium smartphone, and at the same time, due to aluminum construction, it does give you a solid in-hand feel as well. In terms of display, as mentioned, it's a nice 5.84-inch Full HD Plus display. Moving on to the hardware and the software part. The phone is being powered by company's own Kirin 970 processor, which is an octa-core processor. Along with that, you get 6 GB of RAM here and 128 GB storage. So if I visit into the system option and about phone, you can see that it is running on EMUI on top of Android 8.1. Then you have 970 processor, 6 GB RAM, 115 GB of storage free out of 128 GB. It does not have micro SD card slot though, so users who want to expand will not be able to expand the storage. The 128 GB storage should be good enough. In terms of day-to-day applications and gaming, it can handle your games as well as day-to-day applications. 970 is a powerful processor, and again EMUI is a stable UI. Along with that, you get Android 8.1 out of the box. You do have AI features integrated into the smartphone, but we will be discussing them later. Let's straight move on to the camera. So this is how the camera interface looks like. You do have portrait mode over here, AI feature. You can turn the AI photography on or off. It will detect scenes, objects, and give you the best picture possible. In front camera also you get portrait mode, 3D mode, etc. We won't be discussing those things